In today's video, I will walk you through how to use the ISBLANK function in Google Sheets. To check whether a cell is empty, click an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Type equals ISBLANK, then open a parenthesis and select the cell you want to check. For example, if you want to check cell A2, enter A2 inside the parentheses. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Google Sheets will return true if the cell is completely empty and false if it contains any value. Remember, even a space, hidden character, or formula-generated content can cause the result to be false. To check multiple cells, select the cell with the formula and drag the fill handle from the bottom right corner downward. Google Sheets will automatically apply the formula to the other rows and update the cell references. You'll then see true or false for each row, showing whether the corresponding cell is blank. And that's how to use the ISBLANK function in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.